can see our leaven here, it's a little bit old. You should bake bread once a week to keep it fresh, and this is almost 2 weeks, I think, but it's still good. And the process starts with me putting it in this bowl, and I'm going to add some rye flour and cold water, and it's going to stand for 1 day. The whole process from leaven to bread takes around 3 days, and I'm going to take you through the whole process. Just a little bit water, a little bit rye flour. Stir it. This will be our sourdough, and if you can see a small bubbles, it means this leaven was alive and it's working. And this will stand for 1 day now. Here we have the sourdough, and now we are going to make the bread. And we always add 1 kilo of rye flour, which is roughly cut, and around 700 grams of rye flour, which is more smooth. And on top of that, 6 small spoons of salt, and of course some water. This amount will be enough for 3 baking trays. We've put some butter and flour in it. And we've put some sourdough or leaven for the next baking batch, and it can last up to 2 weeks. Ideally you should use it once a week. But it can last up to 2 weeks in the fridge, and we will leave it for a few hours. Then I will add water, and then I will put it in the fridge, and you can use it as a leaven for the next baking batch. Now we are going to bake the bread. And as you can see, we have a small bowl with water, to help with the evaporation, and the bread will be more moist that way. And we are baking for around 1 hour, around 200 degrees. This is a real Polish sourdough bread. Nothing added, no additives, nothing, just pure ecological sourdough rye bread. This is it.